Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect AWeber to WordPress. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, to get any integration to WordPress, we will be needing to go to our plugins. But first, make sure that you are in your admin panel and that you see this sidebar. And after that, we will be needing to go to plugins so you can start adding a new plugin. After that, we will be needing to search for an integration with a Weber so we can add it into our website or into our WordPress. So here in the search plugin place or text box, you will be needing just to search for a Weber, and from there we will be needing just to wait for here. As you can see, we can already find our AWeber integration. So you will need just to click on it, and from here you will be able to see all the information or all the tools that you can use. And basically now we will need just to click on install. By clicking on install, you will have a Weber that will be added into plugin into your WordPress. Now we want to activate it or to start it. So basically, you will be able to find that your Weber for WordPress has been added. Now we need just to click on connect now so we can start connecting your account. So basically, you will be needing just to click on get started, and then you will have your authorization. So now you will be needing just to add your login credentials. That means your login name and password, and then allow the access. And after that, you will be able to paste your authorization code that you will be having here and click on finish. And basically, that way you will be able to have successfully connected a Weber to WordPress. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.